Welcome to our Excel training. When working with long lists in Microsoft Excel, you will see that the titles disappear when you move the wheel or mouse wheel in the list. Fixing the titles on the screen is a very simple process. First, let's color our titles. After selecting the titles here, you can immediately select a ready color from the Cell Styles on the Home tab. Then when you turn the titles to the wheel, we select the row below our titles so that they do not disappear. When you come to the Freeze Panes tab from the View menu and say Freeze Panes again, we fix our titles on the screen directly like this. When you unfreeze in the same place again to solve, our titles are also solved. When you move down in the titles here, our titles should not disappear. When we move to the right, for example, columns A and B should remain fixed. If you want, you should first select one below the title and pass the columns you want to leave fixed. That is, A will remain fixed, B will remain fixed, but column C will not remain fixed. We select one below the title. A will remain fixed, B will remain fixed. Since our title in column C will not remain fixed, we click on the selected cell. When you say Fritz Pens again from Fritz Pens, we have fixed both horizontal and vertical headings. When you go down, see that your headings do not disappear. When you go to the right, you will see that columns A and B do not disappear. When you unfreeze from here again, we will solve this. I am selecting a lower section of the heading from here again. If we are going to leave a fixed B fixed and C fixed, we leave A, B, C blank. We leave it fixed and click on D. When you freeze panes again after clicking on D4, this time the ABC columns remain fixed as you see on the screen. In this way, you can easily use the freeze panes feature while working with long lists on your pages.